In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 Pythagoras theorem questions. So let's see our question here. A rectangle has sides of lengths 8 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Find the length of its diagonal. That's a single S. So we can visualize this by drawing the actual rectangle itself. So we have the rectangle with sides 3 centimeters and 8 centimeters. What we do now is that we visualize the diagonal and we label it C. So we have A, B, C. We can derive a triangle from this diagram, like so, a right angled triangle with side length 3, 8, C. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem to work out what C is, like so. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Therefore, we plug in the values, which are A equals 3, B equals 8, and C is the question mark. So A is 3 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. 9 plus 64 equals C squared. $73 equals C squared. Take the square root of 73 to work out what C is. .54 centimeters. So we can write, therefore, the length of the diagonal is 8.54 centimeters. Now moving on to the next question. The longer side of a rectangle is 3 times the length of the shorter side. So we can already label x is equal to shorter side. And therefore 3x is equal to longer side. Anyways, moving on. The length of the diagonal is 10 centimeters. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So by the dimensions, I think it just means length and width. What we do now is set out the Pythagoras theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this we have a equals x, b equals 3x, and c equals 10. So therefore x squared plus 3x squared equals 10 squared. Therefore 4x squared equals 100. Therefore x squared equals 100 divided by 4. Therefore x squared equals 25. Therefore x is equal to the square root of 25, which is 5. Therefore we know what x is. X is equal to 5 centimeters. Now to figure out what a and b are, all we have to do is write 5 is equal to x. Therefore b is equal to 3 times 5, which equals 15 centimeters. And a is equal to x. So the answer is the length. So the longer length is 15 centimeters. The shorter length, we'll just say the width is 5 centimeters. And the diagonal is 10 centimeters. So our last question here now. A tangent of a length 10 centimeters is drawn to a circle with radius 7 centimeters. So let's start off by drawing the actual diagram. Excuse my drawing. So we have a circle (7 centimeters). So that's the radius of the circle. And we also have a tangent that touches a circle and drafts off 10 centimeters. So we can actually draw a right angle triangle with this, because a tangent always touches a circle at a right angle. So 10 centimeters, and this is C. So we're trying to work C out. So 7, 10, C. We can write the findings. So A is 7 centimeters, B is 10 centimeters, and C is question mark. So let's write down the formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Therefore, 7 squared plus 10 squared equals C squared. Therefore, 49 plus 100 equals C squared. Therefore, 149 equals C squared. Therefore, root 149 equals C squared. Therefore, C is equal to 12.2 centimeters. So we can write that down. The end point of the tangent is 12.2 centimeters away from the center of the circle.